Come test drive the 2017 Passat. The Volkswagen Passat is roomy and powerful. It is a supple and controlled ride with a quiet and comfortable ride. Volkswagen brings it all together. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, daytime running lights, FWD, integrated turn signal mirrors, four-wheel disc brakes, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.